Do you want to know how you can check your account summary through Wise? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your account summary on your Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, you must have your account on Wise. If not, you can create it today. Now what you need to do is open wise.com on any of your browser and log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this type of interface. In order for you to check your summary, you must click on this icon over here besides home, and it will lead you to your summary. So you can see the spending summary over here. You can click on see all, and you can even organize the date on which you spent your money. You can check it, and if you go to settings, you can also click on the insights for balance jar, and you can also select the currencies on which you want to check your summary at. So guys, this is how easily you can check your summary on Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.